So I'm a little excited about today's video because it is our 50th video, and I'm about as excited as I can be sitting behind a camera in my office, which I don't love to do, but I do like the content on these videos. So this is about making YouTube use its site. Basically, most YouTube videos are basically invisible to AI. They're not visible to people, they're just invisible to the machine, and that's the problem. So you can have a great video, great content, a great point, a great explanation, and still get AI nothing to cleanly quote, understand, or timestamp. That means that ChatGPT, Google AI Overviews, Perplexity, Claude, Gemini, Copilot may ignore the best part of what you said. And it's not because it was wrong, it's because it was bare. So I'm Kevin Roy Agreement and SEO, and search is changing fast, and people aren't clicking the 10 new links first. They're getting the answer from AI. So the new goal is just to rank, is to become the source that AI cites. And that's what this channel is about. No BS, no buzzword marketing junk that never comes. We're going to talk about how you earn visibility in AI. We cover everything from content architecture, entity signals, schema, measurement, and honestly, anything else that works. And I built these videos as frameworks that you can copy so you can leave the plan, not just ideas. So today I want to talk about something simple, making your YouTube videos easier for AI to cite. Not easier to watch, not better looking, not prettier, not more polished. Just easier to understand, extract, timestamp, quote, and connect back to your website. That's the part that most people are missing. They think that the video is the best. It is. But for AI search, the video by itself is not enough. AI needs text, it needs structure, it needs timing, it needs clean signals. And if you don't get those signals, AI, you're basically making the machine guess what your video is about. That's not a strategy. That's basically hope with a thumbnail. So what changed a few years ago, YouTube helped people because they could find it YouTube in search and maybe rank in Google, and that still matters. But now AI engines are pulling answers from different source types. There will be part of those videos, transcripts, descriptions, chapters, schema, and landing pages. And if your video has a clean transcript, a clean summary, timestamps, structured page around it, you're giving AI a better shot at understanding the actual value of the video. I'm not saying that this guarantees citations. Nobody can honestly answer that yet. But what we are seeing is pretty clear evidence. The more extractable an asset is, the easier for AI systems to use it. And that's just common sense. So if one video has captions, no chapters, a vague description, and no pages on the website that connect to it, and another video has captions, a summary, timestamps, full transcript, a landing page, a video object schema, which one do you think that AI is going to find? So why does that matter to a business owner? Because your buyers aren't just searching anymore. They're asking AI for questions. Who explains it well? What company knows this topic? Who should I compare? Who should I trust? And who has the best process? What are the risks? And if your video answers those questions, but AI can't easily extract it, you're basically, I'm sitting behind this couch with Sandy, wasting my time. So the content exists, but the signal is weak. So here's a system that we use. I call it the video citation stat. It's not fancy. It's not hard. It's just the steps your team should run every time we publish a series video. Step 1, clean the captions. Don't rely on the auto captions. The auto captions are better than nothing, but they still mess up names, punctuation, jargons, whereas technical terms. If you say schema and the caption thinks you mean schemas, that's the problem. So export the SRT file or VTT file, clean it up. Fix the speaker names, fix the weird words, fix the punctuation. That's the base layer. Step 2, build a timestamp map. Add the chapters in the YouTube description. Use real timestamp, 0, quick answer, 35 cents, problem, 1 minute and 20, the framework, 2:45, the exam, 4:10, what to do next. That helps humans, but it also gives machines a cleaner map. Think about a map of the video. Step 3, put the answers at the top. For the top of the YouTube description, add a 30 to 60 word summary, not a cute teaser, not watch this amazing video, a real summary. So say what the video explains and what the viewer will get from it. Then pin the comment on the same summary in a key timestamp. You are not doing this for decoration. You are doing this to claim the editing points with the same idea. Step 4, create the landing page. That's where a lot of companies mess this up. They publish the video in this and they stop. You want to put the video on your website. You want to embed it. You want to add the full clean transcript, the same chapters, the anchor links, the timestamp links back on YouTube. Make your website and the canonical home for the explanation. That way AI can cite YouTube. AI can cite your site. It would rather I'd rather win in both ways. And then step 5, add the video object schema. That's the technical part. The brass tacks version is really simple. Video object schema tells, here's the video, here's the description, here's the thumbnail, here's the upload date, here's the duration, the embed URL, a transcript, the important clips, the captions. Remember, the schema is like a blueprint, and AI can extract it faster and easier. It's not that hard once you start getting used to it. It's basically putting an asset label so the machines don't have to worry as well. And it's not magic. Schema doesn't magically make the video more important, but it can make a good video become easier to understand. And then step 6, measure it. This is another place that people get lazy. I get lazy with it, but don't just publish and hope. Run a 72-hour test before the video goes live. Create 12 queries. You use the exact title, use the problem statement, a how-to version, use brand plus topic, and then do a bunch of searches in Google AI, Perplexity, Claude, ChatGPT. Check it, publish. Look at 24 hours later, if it's 72 hours later, what gets cited. I know this is a ton of work, and to be honest, I don't do all of it, but it does help. So sometimes I have an admin do this work for us. So look to see if the engagements get time improved, make some changes, and then go back and test and measure again. The best people in SEO have always been the people that test. So remember that YouTube is an entity signal. It's a proof asset, and it's a trust asset. It's a source. And if you structure it correctly, it can become a really big part of your citation footprint. So number 1, stop publishing videos with lazy descriptions and auto captions. Number 2, give every video a serious written home, add it to your website, embed the video, add the transcript, add the chapters, add the anchors. Number 3, measure whether AI can find it. Use a simple 12 query at 0, 24, and 72 hours. If your video has the answer, make it easy to find. Use the quote, use the time scan, and cite. I know it's a lot of work. If you start getting into the rhythm, it's not that bad, kind of like these videos. Once you start getting used to it, it becomes less painless, and this is really going to help. Thank you.